Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Man, I can't believe AEP is finally over. What, you missed it? Well, don't panic. You're not locked out forever. From January through spring, there are still windows to make changes, if you know where to look. Here's the secret. The last application by December 7 doesn't always lock you in. If you're in Medicare Advantage, you actually get one more shot between January and March, plus some other special windows. Let's get nerdy. From January through March, we have the Medicare Advantage Open Enrollment Period. If you're already in a Medicare Advantage plan, you could make one change: switch to another Advantage plan, or drop Medicare Advantage altogether and go back to original Medicare with a Part D plan. But here's the rule: you only get one switch. Nerd tip: OEP is a do-over, not an all-you-can-eat buffet of changes. There's also the 5-star Special Enrollment Period. If a 5-star rated plan is available in your area, you could switch to that plan once per year, anytime between December 8th and November 30th. That's a full extra window, but only one use per year. Nerd tip: don't switch just for the stars. Make sure the plan actually fits your doctors, your medications, and your budget. Life happens, and Medicare has rules for that too. Special Enrollment Periods, or SEPs, can open if you move, lose coverage, become dual eligible for Medicare and Medicaid, qualify for extra help, go through certain life events, or even live in an area hit by a FEMA-declared emergency. Also, if you are diagnosed with certain chronic conditions, this can open a special enrollment period. Nerd tip: big life changes often open hidden doors. Always ask if your situation qualifies for an SEP. So here's the takeaway: you're not necessarily stuck. OEP gives you one do-over. The 5-star SEP is a bonus option that lasts all year. And life events can trigger SEPs you didn't even know existed. If this video made Medicare a little less confusing, please let me know. Hit the like button, share it with a friend, and drop a comment with your questions down below. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future nerd tips. It really does help me continue to put videos like this one out. I'm Scott Fox, lifelong insurance nerd, and I run an independent brokerage here in Southern California with clients across the United States. That means I represent multiple companies, not just one. And I help people like you find the Medicare or insurance coverage they need that actually fits your life every day. If you'd like personal help reviewing your coverage, just give me a call at 310-504-6223 or visit my website at scottfoxinsurance.com. My info is always in the description. Please reach out anytime. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay nerdy, my friends.